Hello children, now first class mathematics. So take out your textbook children, page number 46. Take out page number 46. See now here. So already this topic will be completed, but practice do. I will explaining again. C bit, LOOK look, 88, TH ida, PICTURES pictures, GIVEN given, BELOW below. Look at the pictures given below. COUNT count, EACH each, SET set, count each set. COMPARE compare, COMPARE compare, THITA, TWO2, ACTS sets. See children here. See all of you. WHICH which, HAS has, MORE more, ORR, LESS less. You learn the spelling children. MORE more, LESS less. EQUAL equal, EQUAL equal, THINGS things. So first of all learn the spelling children. Which one I will do underline, that one only you learn first of all. COUNT count, COUNT count. We are now counting the numbers. Yes, count. COMPARE compare. So in two examples we are doing the compares. MORE more, LESS less, EQUAL equal. So here example given children. You observe these examples. Two examples only given. What is this children? Ball. So here bat. Here parrot, cage. Panjaram, cage, okay. See here. So how many balls are there children? You observe here. One ball and bat. Ball, bat. Ball, bat. So equal only. The both sides equal. So that's why here writing equal, EQUAL equal. So both sides same only. So both sides equal. EQUAL equal. In this example too, both sides equal having. So here this example too. See here how many parrots are there? 1, 2, 3. How many cages are there? 1, 2. But here one parrot is more. More. This side more. So here we are writing more. MORE more. So next example see children. Here candles and lamp. See here how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3. Here one candle is less. How many candles are less? One candle is less. So here LESS, less. Observe children here. Teacups and saucer. So how many teacups are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal. So here write equal spelling. Say equal spelling. EQUAL. 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 So here equal teacups and saucers are there. So next one, second one, see here. Here locks having keys. So here match it children. One lock and one key. So here 2 keys extra. So here 2 keys less. Locks, 2 locks here less having. So here write less. LESS, less. LESS, less. LESS, less. Next one, third one, observe children. What is this? These are cool drinks. Here straws. So here how many cool drinks are there? And let's match it. And straws. 1 cool drink and 1 straw here. So here 2 cool drinks will more having. More. M-O-R-E, more. M-O-R-E, more. So here more cool drinks are there. So are you understand children? So now next page. D with COUNT, count, TH the PICTURES, pictures. WRIT, right. THEIR, there. NUMBER, number. IN, in. TH the BLANK, blank. BOX, box. NEAR, near. TH the PICTURES, pictures. PUT, put, right mark. For TH the THINGS, things. WHICH, which. ARER, MORE, more. IN, in. NUMBER, number. Count the pictures, write their number in the blank box near the pictures. Put right mark for the things which are more in number. See here. Biscuits are there? Yes. So how many biscuits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 biscuits. In this box, so how many biscuits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 biscuits. So here 5 and 3. So which box to more? So there keep right mark. See here in which box to more? This box to more. 5 is more only. So here only keeping right mark. So next one. See here. Here balls are there. Yes. So how many balls having here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls. So let us count clearly children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls. So in this 2 box 2, which one is more? 7 or 8? 8 is more. So here only put right mark. Okay, are you understand, children? Okay, next one. In B question, here mangoes are there. Here also mangoes. So how many mangoes are there? 1, 2. 2 mangoes. Here in this box 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes. 2 mangoes, 3 mangoes. Here 1 mango will extra only. So in which box 2 mangoes are more? So in this box 2. 3 mangoes. 2 here, keep right mark. So next one, children. So are you observing is this? See here. Toys are there. So how many toys are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 toys. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 toys. So in this 2 box 2, which one is more? So in which box 2 will more having? So this box 2. 4 or 3? 4 only more. So we are keeping right mark. So are you understand, children? So are you understand? Are you identify which one is more or which one is less? So remember it. So learn the spellings also, children. M-O-R-E more, L-E-S-S less, E-Q-U-A-L equal, C-O-U-N-T count, C-O-M-P-A-R-E compare. Okay, children. You learn this. In next topic, in next class I will explain.